coming up.
I fell in love with the detailing on this piece. I just find this piece is so classic for the wardrobe. It's really comfortable as it hugs your curves nicely. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have a Quince try-on haul. I am so excited to share some of my favorites from Quince for the fall season. They have some amazing cashmere pieces, which I will be trying on. Also, the sizes will be noted below. This video is not sponsored. I used my own money for these items. Now, before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I cover all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Okay guys, let's get right into it. My first item is the Quince Cashmere Fisherman Pullover hoodie. Now, I have never tried Quince Cashmere before, and I was pleasantly surprised by how soft and comfortable it is. This has an oversized fit and a little bit of a boxy shape. It falls around the waist, and I did take a size small in this. Now, this colorway is the color brown, and I'm so tempted by the gray and the oatmeal colors. I love how it looks when it's paired against the cashmere joggers. To me, that's the perfect Sunday casual vibes outfit. Next up, we have the matching cashmere jogger pants, and if you are going to get the cashmere hoodie, you just need the matching pant. I love a matching set, and especially in this brown shade, it's so good. Now, these cashmere pants, I think they're perfect for petites. I'm 5'2" in height, and I like where the joggers, they sit on my petite frame. It's also a relaxed fit. The biggest thing I had when it came to these joggers was the size. I went back and forth between a small and a medium, so I purchased both. These ones are a size small, which is ultimately what I ended up going with. I feel like it's perfect on my frame. However, I did purchase them in the black, size medium, and you can see in the video how there's just a lot of material. It doesn't look as flattering as the size small in the brown. So I would say if you're similar in body type like me, you might want to consider going with a size down. I typically go for size mediums in a lot of my bottoms, but like I said, I felt like it was a little bit big in the jogger style. So size down, size small. Next up, we have the Quince Cashmere Crew Neck Sweater. This sweater is one of the best values for money. You get to experience cashmere for $50. It's also one of Quince's best-selling items, and I can understand why. It has so many different colors in this classic timeless silhouette. I decided to go with the classic black, and I could easily dress this up with a silk midi skirt or dress it down with some comfy cashmere joggers. Now, this sweater does have a denser feel in that 12 gauge, so I did go up to a size medium, and I like the way it drapes, and I think that's perfect for this sweater. Next, we have the washable silk midi skirt. The silk on this is pretty smooth. Best of all, this skirt does not require dry cleaning. You can actually put it in the washer, and it has this elastic waistband, which I think is so comfortable and chic. Now, this silk comes in so many different colors, and I am obsessed with the wine tasting color. I consider skirts like this a staple in my wardrobe, and they do have it in a maxi version, which I am so tempted to add a maxi skirt in the wine tasting color. Next, we have the Cashmere Fisherman Sweater. I fell in love with the detailing on this piece. It has a nice thickness, but still lightweight. I love that I can dress this piece down with some denim jeans or cashmere joggers, or dress it up with a piece like I'm wearing today, the sweater dress. It's just a versatile piece. My next piece is the Cashmere Midi sweater dress, which is what I'm wearing right now. And it's in the color teak. It's just this lovely tan brown shade. And of course I had to pick this colorway. I just find this piece is so classic for the wardrobe, and it gives endless style options. I love pairing it with a belt, just gives more definition at the waist, and also just put on a cardigan or a sweater, gives it more versatility. Next, we have the cotton cashmere sleeveless ribbed midi dress. We couldn't do a Quince try-on haul without getting our brown trend on. Meet mocha brown. This colorway is so good, and it's even better in person. I love the rib detailing of this dress, and it has a nice V in the back to help when you walk in this dress. I would say the material on this is really comfortable as it hugs your curves nicely. Y'all know I'm a little bit of a curvy petite over here. I have two pieces that are still in the mail. However, I did want to share it with you guys. The first one is the organic cotton boyfriend crew neck sweater in the olive green. I am a sucker for anything olive green. It's the perfect shade for fall, and it works well with my skin tone. It does come in a couple different colorways, and I did pick a size small for this one, given it's a boyfriend oversized fit. The next one is the cashmere oversized sweater, and this is in the mocha brown. I thought that would pair perfectly with my mocha brown dress, or else I could pair it with a midi skirt or some denim. I also picked that one in a size small. Okay guys, let me know what you think of my Quince try-on haul. Did you have any favorite pieces? Will you be picking up anything from Quince? I'd love to hear it in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Take care.